Hello, I'm giving you a top tip. Right, when I'm teaching you, you'll hear me shout out the wall numbers, okay? And if you haven't been doing line dancing, you might be thinking, what's she shouting out? So basically, I'm shouting out a few things. This way is 12 o'clock, like on the clock. To my right is 3 o'clock. This wall is 6 o'clock. And this wall is 9 o'clock, and it really, really helps because if you're getting a bit lost where to turn, I'm shouting it out. Now, if you're in your kitchen or in your bedroom or wherever you are in the world, apart from if you're on the beach, that might be a bit hard, or you can still put it on the floor, couldn't you? You get a post-it note or a bit of paper. I've got them all round here. The rest of this room's really messy. The bit you can see is tidy. I'll show you one day. But there's numbers put on the walls. That one's fallen off, I need to stick it back up. So all you do is you put a number 12, you get a bit of blue tack. You can see I haven't got one here because I can remember one wall. And you'd stick it on your wall, post-it note, and then you can take it down after. But that will really help you, okay? So that's a little top tip from me. Have a go.